Good day, guys. I hope everyone's having a good day also. So this is a follow-up video on the previous video in which I showed you uh, my FTMO account, which originally have a 10,000 capital, which as of this day it has incurred a losses of $800. Now I got $200 left before the account will be disqualified. So as I have told you previously, uh, it had gone down even to 9,160, and then I recovered for $40. Eventually, as of today, it's 9,200. So let me show you, by just doing it on my own. I now use 0.01 lot kasi nag-aaral pa lang, inaaral ko lang personally, hindi ko na ako sumusunod sa mga signals. So let me show you what I have done in my history. Okay, so let's go to my history for today. So walang loss, walang win. Let me show you on my weekly, the weekly. Okay, so as you can see, I have a profit of $3.73. I actually profit yung dalawa kasi yung strategy ko na ngayon, which is my preferred strategy, is I enter two interest orders. I enter two orders. Yung isa is ilalagay ko ang TP sa pinakamalapit na resistance or support man yan, so that matipik ko agad yung isa. Yung isa is I will have a TP of dun sa pinakamataas or pinakamababa na support resistance level, so that I will be able to hopefully get the maximum profit. Hindi ko na yan ititipi prematurely. Talagang that's hanggang umabot siya sa TP. So let me show guys my monthly profit. See? No losses. Yung isa dyan is yung 0.05 na loss dyan is bumalik siya sa break-even point, break-even line. Okay? So let me show you my 3 months. Ayan, $10. So yun, nag-uumpisa pa lang yan yung mga previous months, nag-uumpisa pa lang yan na yung implementation ko ng sarili ko na lang talaga ang sinusunod ko. So that's good sign that you are preserving the capital, considering na nagsimula ito nung 9,160 na lang yung account ko. Okay, now let me show you my strategy. I always look at daily na lang, hindi na ako kasi may trabaho tayo may trabaho tayo. So parang sideline ko lang ito. Imagine guys, if for example for this monthly, if usually para sa akin lang yung $10,000 I will be using 0.1 lot. So siguro this would be $175 na siya. Imagine guys, if I will be able to purchase a 100,000 capital, which is just 1,000 of FTMO. So ang kita nito kumbaga is 1,500 to $1,752. Okay? So just as a beginner. So mahirap mag-overtrade kaya pinipili ko lang talaga ang gusto kong i-trade. Ngayon, let me show you how I enter. Ang hindi na ako alam nyo, For the previous years, I've been studying a lot of books, a lot of videos, a lot of YouTube videos doon sa mga indicator na yung mga trend na yan, yung mga engulfing. Actually, it frustrated me a lot. Now I go back to a bear chart. I just do support and resistance. So as you can see here, this is a daily candle. This is daily candle of a chart. So ang ginagawa ko, kung makikita nyo, sa support at resistance, doon lang ako maglalagay ng limit orders. Dalawa palagi. For example, here, kasi okay, kung nakikita nyo yung crosshair ko, I will show you my limit sell order. Dito siya sa 1.17278. Yeah, dalawa yan. Meaning if nag-TP yung isang TP dyan is malapit lang dito, so take profit ko na agad. Ang pangalawang TP niyan is dito sa pinaka mababa na support na makikita nyo dito. Okay. So pagka hindi ko pa na-compute ang risk to reward ratio niyan, so yan lang ang ginagawa ko. Dito naman sa baba, nandito yung buy limit order ko dito. So I put my order on the candle talaga, yung pinaka-tip ng candle, ng body ng candle, not including the wick. Hindi ko sa include yung wick. Doon lang ako maglalagay ng limit order. Okay? So wala na akong yung mga indicator na mga engulfing, yung mga so much indicators na parang nagugulo lang yung utak ko. Ito pinakasimple na lang, which I find it easier and it's working for me. Nakita niyo naman ang history ko. Okay? So because nakita niyo na ngayon yung mga limit orders. Ito malayo pa at mapunta rito yung yung malayo pa mapunta rito yung price, but ayokong magmadali. Dito nag-profit na ako dito nag-profit na rin ako. So ito I think this price is going up because it already break this resistance. Pataas na uli siya. Hoping na dito sa support, resistance na ito is babalik siya na naman. Okay? I will update you guys if napunta yung price dito at saka ano ang maging reaction. Okay? So, this is a journey. Actually, this is a journey. I would like to share this journey to whoever will be able to view my channel. Thank you. And if you like my channel, please like my channel. I will also be happy if you subscribe my channel. And my other videos ay hindi pa ako nagpakilala. I'm still going to do a video on that. Actually, I'm a retired employee in the Philippines. Now I am overseas. I am trying a different life adventure here in a foreign land. It's hard, but I'm enjoying it. It's a different challenge. So yun lang muna. Thank you sa lahat ng nanonood nito at pwedeng manood. Please subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.